C4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1988 model year Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Greenwood aerodynamics package as well as interior kit. And listen to this, actual miles, 7,800. That is it. I think the odometer shows exactly 7,814. But that is original miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and confirmed miles. Dark blue metallic, saddle or tan interior, as well as the top. TPI 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with the 4+3 overdrive manual transmission. Take a look at the front fascia and you can see that aerodynamic package wrapping around the front. Little gold accent added to that C4 logo on the hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. Stunning car. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. The General Tires 2024 is when they were put on, so they are practically brand new. Very few miles on them. I'll go through some of the other recent service work too in here in just a bit. As you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, it is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior is like new. There you can see that interior kit. I will also show you how the top goes up and down. We'll check out the condition of that. But first, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Little tinted lenses on the taillights. Of course, that Greenwood wing. And you can see Greenwood aerodynamics package on the rear. All right, some of that recent service work mentioned earlier. New battery, air filter, some parking brake adjustments and cables were done. Fresh oil change. Fuel injectors cleaned and gone through and replaced if needed. It's ready to go. AC blows cold. If you're into C4 Corvettes or just Corvettes in general, maybe kind of specialty cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. This is kind of a prime example. Don't see a lot of these Greenwood kits out there. Obviously different wheels from factory also. Driver's side free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Take a little closer look at this interior. It's practically like new. Get a look at the door panels, and again, odometer I believe shows 7,814 miles. That is original miles on this car, and interior shows, you know, floor mat's not even dirty. Take a look at the seating, bolster, kind of just the natural wrinkling and wear of the leather hide, which you'd expect. Top matches the interior, and again, I'll put that up in just a bit. We'll check out the condition of that. First, I think we should start it up. Let's hear this thing run. And we'll check out those headlights, take a peek underneath the hood. There's the exact miles, 7,814. Love these dashes. Put it in neutral. All right, so coolant temperature, oil pressure, you can see to the left. Tack on the right, that is working. And you can, that oil pressure, if you look at it as pressure now, I can hit a switch, it's gonna go to oil temp. It's going to say low because the temperature has not come up. The car has not been running long enough. You can change the coolant temp to volts. I'll hit that switch, 13.1 in the volts. And you can have average, instant, trip, and range on these bottom ones too. And those switches are right here. Delco Bose, AM FM cassette player. You can see down here you have electronic climate control, and the AC does blow cold. It'll freeze you out of here. Wood grain kit throughout. Nice rich looking interior. Power windows, power locks. And then as you can see also on the seats with the power and the bolster. Lumbar, both sides on the controls there. Another thing you want to always check on these C4s, steering column, nice and tight. It's not loose from somebody climbing in and out using it. Let's listen. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. Good sounding car. Let's get this hood popped. Look how clean and tight it is underneath there. That looks good. Like I said, tires just put in 2024. There's probably not a few hundred miles at all in them. Mentioned the battery also replaced August of 24. It's a couple months old. There it is. Tuned port injection. 5.7 liter. Fresh oil change. Injectors gone through, cleaned and replaced if needed. Turn the key and go. Alright, I'm going to close that hood. We'll check out the headlights, and then I will also show you the procedure for putting that top up, latching it. We'll check out the condition of that. I'll roll the windows up, see if they're nice and tight. Stick around to the very end of the video though. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here's a convertible top up. So as you could see, and here's the convertible top up. So as you can see, tan vinyl top. What you'd expect for condition on this car. I mean, it's like new. Rolled the side glass up too, so you can see how that fits. Nice tight fit. Coming around to the rear. Rear window nice and clear. Great fit down by the body of the car. No discoloration, no rips, tears, holes. Again, just what you'd expect with a car with a little over 7,800 miles is all. All right, I will show you the top folding back down into the storage compartment, or storage area there, real quick too. And then stick around to the very end of this. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1988 Chevrolet Greenwood Corvette. Like I said, a little over 7,800 miles is all. Absolutely beautiful. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. and I'll show you that top going down, and then stick around, take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a convertible with the Greenwood treatment. This car has some very nice real wood inlays on the interior, in addition to an extended length off the back end spoiler and other features that Greenwood helps out with this car on. Cruise control works. The full digital dash, very cool. You can flick between seeing your oil pressure, your oil temp, your coolant temp versus your volts, all right in the screen in front of you. The tachometer is digital, the speedometer is digital. Very 1988 in all the good ways. This is a 4-speed manual. And it drives very nice. The brakes are smooth. Blower motor is blowing right now. A little bit of heat on this November day. Amazingly comfortable leather bucket seats with lots of power options. Mainly, like most Corvettes, it's just fun to go fast and corners nicely. Corners as it should for an 88 Corvette. We do have the top up today, but put that down and have the sun in your face on a beautiful day. Very fun, very nice 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.